Subscription databases are resources paid for by the Ivy Tech Library that contain reliable resources, but images can also be found on the open internet. One source for images is Google Image Search. Google is a search engine that searches the open internet. Therefore, Google does not guarantee the reliability of any website or image it links to, unlike a library database. Be careful to look for an image from a reliable website. Images found on Google may also be under copyright protections. On the Google homepage, click on Image at the top. Now type in the keywords and click Search. Clicking on the image will open the image in a pane on the right side. You can see the website where the image was published, as well as a warning if the image might be subject to copyright. If you don't recognize the website as a reliable source, you may want to click the link and investigate further. In this case, we see that Time for Kids is a spin-off of the popular news magazine Time, aimed at children, so we might use this image. To find a permanent URL link to the image, right-click the image and select Copy Image Address. This will give you a URL to the image alone. Other websites with free images are also available on the English 111 online library guide. Let's look at the Digital Public Library of America. You'll see options that include text, image, and movies. Let's click Image to see still images. Images at the Digital Public Library of America may include photographs, charts, buttons, and political cartoons. Let's select one of these. Under the image, you will find a date, a description of the image, and the creator, which can all be used to create a citation. Images on Digital Public Library of America may also be under copyright, so be sure to scroll down to the rights statement to find out. This concludes the tutorial for finding images on the open web for your discussion board. If you have any questions, feel free to contact your Ivy Tech campus library by phone or email.